I wonder what's inside an eye. Mr. Body knows the answer. Human eyes are like digital cameras. They take pictures of the world around you and send the pictures into your brain. Let's take a look at three main parts of the eye today. The biggest one, the white one, is called sclera. Then the next one, in the middle, is called iris. Irises can be blue, green, brown, or hazel. Iris is like sunglasses for your eye. It controls the amount of light coming into your eye. And in the middle, the smallest part of your eye is called a pupil. A pupil is like a window. It can get bigger or it can get smaller.